I don't know what I was thinking.
Oh man. If you put this manifold on here, your torque, you're gonna blow the motor. We already experimented with it. Dude, what the why? How?
My boy said the motor started knocking.
No, it actually
The motor started knocking.
Mama, I drove it, Mama. I did it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
What?
Did you hear what I said about Harry Potter?
No. Are you ready
Yeah.
for your car?
Oh.
You're getting a car.
I'm not getting myself excited until it's at the shop. I already told you that.
Alright, what is going on, guys? Double R here, back again today with another video. Today is pretty exciting. So if you guys haven't watched my last video, I gave you guys recently a car update going over all of my broken cars. And one of the cars that I went over was honestly my most embarrassing purchase, but I'm transparent with you guys, so I don't really care. Listen, babe, I'm sorry, but I bought this 350Z for my girlfriend because one, it had a 40K mile engine, so that's what sold me on it. But the body looked, I don't know what I was thinking. It looked good when I was there, and then I brought it to the shop and realized all the f***ery that's been done to it. This car has been touched, okay? I'm just gonna keep it as PG as that. I would have to do so much to this car and put so much money into it, and it would never be as clean as this one, and I got this one for just about the same price. This thing is trash. There's bolts missing, there's Allen keys in places they're not supposed to be, that are supposed to be 10 mils. It would have lock nuts and 3 different kind of wheel studs. Literally the best thing about this car are the rims, and they're mine. But enough with the negativity. We're actually about to head out right now and go and check out a brand new 350Z that hopefully, a black 350Z that hopefully, ooh, I don't even need this one. Once we check it out, is the complete opposite of this car. It's a completely clean body with a bad engine. This one has a completely good engine with a terrible chassis and body. So hopefully we could just do the good old switcheroo, and maybe we could recollect my girlfriend's car. I know you guys haven't seen this diesel in a while, but we're taking her today, so we already got the battery in the back. I'm pretty sure it'll be safe back here. I hope so.
You always put it in the toolbox.
You right.
He likes the truck.
Yeah, no one likes the truck.
so tight.
Right?
I love this.
Dude, I got it for $4,500. Dude, it's manual and it only has 170,000 miles on it.
Oh man. But yeah, man, this is it. I kind of cleaned it out. I just got all
Dude.
my shit out of it, really, to be real with you. Did you bring a battery?
Yes.
It's clean, bro. I'm
Dude,
telling you.
it
has
is
a
clean.
brand new starter. Brand new. It has 40 miles on the starter.
Hell yeah.
It has 40 miles on the alternator.
You put a
50
brand new
miles
clutch,
on
right?
the clutch.
50 miles on the clutch?
Dude, I literally
It's the
drove
Z1
it.
clutch,
I
right?
drove
The
it
red
to
one?
work and back, and it started knocking halfway through the ride.
Damn.
Yeah.
You're the
this is
man,
for
dude. Thank
NA.
you.
Now, with the turbo setup, I have a fully port matched upper and lower. I'll include in the deal. Because it's a different, it's made for different things. If you put this manifold on here, your torque, you're gonna blow the motor. We already experimented with it. Dude, my torque was ridiculously
So
high.
you need an NA just untouched intake manifold for this engine, right?
Yeah, we used
Your
a
turbo?
rev up one. It
Okay,
lowers the
rev up.
torque.
Okay.
So it raises the horsepower and lowers
Yeah.
the torque. It has my old NA setup. I made 292.
You have VHR headers on here?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, it
Dude,
has
that's
brand
badass.
new test pipes. Literally, I just bought the test pipes 2 weeks ago. $225, brand new. It
I
sucks
think
having
the
to let
only-
it go so cheap, but like I need to get rid of
Dude,
it.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, I mean it's got HR headlights on it. That's like $400 right there. I mean, like you could keep it or part it out, and you'll still make bread off it.
And what kind of wheels are these?
Those are Barstone ESO3s. They're like about $1 grand. They're knockoffs, but they're like $1 grand.
They're nice. They look good. Do you like them?
You can flip them. It's a shitty cover.
No, dude, it's fine. Oh, hell yeah.
Good little project car, like. And I thought about you too because you have the red car. Red and black is really dope. And I know that you both want to kind of have a Z.
Yeah.
You know.
Dude, this is perfect.
Like, I mean, it has its flaws. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you about
I'm
it.
telling you right now, everything that you're telling me is 100 times better than what's on her
Dude,
car.
my car was a mess.
It'll make it there for sure.
Yeah, you can kind of hear it.
Yeah, I mean, the belt is loose after the car warms up.
Oh, you can feel it. That's sad. You like it, huh?
I'm very excited.
Yeah. Here, I'm like sold on it, man. I mean, are you ready to drive it back? Yeah, I'm ready, dude. Well, here you go. All right, let's do it.
Let's say a prayer real quick.
It'll make it there for sure.
Yep. Dude.
Come on, Mama
Come
has
on,
a
Mama.
car.
Where she go?
Sit right here. Up.
Ella, come on. Good girl.
Without any hiccups at all,
It
bro.
was fine, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Good shit.
That Rain-X came in clutch.
Yeah. This is the shitty Z, but that's the okay motor.
I could teach you how to do the pulley delete if you want. Basically what they do is they just cut this. It creates a washer. You move it over here. It moves it out. And you can get a smaller belt and it reduces like, it's more efficient for the motor.
Oh, that's what you did on yours.
Not on, well on my turbo car.
Yeah, on the turbo one. I saw that. This is mine. This one's clean, dude. 140K on the motor, which means a lot, but like it's
fun.
It's mint.
It'll
dude.
be fun. It's still not going in. Maybe it just has to be on.
Hey, yeah, it won't go into fifth when it's
I
off.
just tried to readjust the pleat.
You pushing it too far over?
That's what I'm thinking maybe because it went right in a second ago.
Is it short? Is it a short shifter you put in?
Yes.
Is
No,
there?
no, no. We didn't put in a short shifter. He's just adjusting the shift plate,
Yeah,
but
I made
I don't
some
think it
minor
goes into fifth when it's off.
Yeah, I think maybe I'm just overextending it or something.
A factory plate on there, or do you have like a short shifter aftermarket plate?
but there was a bolt that won't thread, so he's gonna have to retap it.
You to confirm, and then I'm surprised.
You read the light nuts?
Yeah, they're nice, right?
I'm gonna try and squeeze my fat ass out of here.
No, you're good. Want some help?
No, I'm alright.
You want to come check out these tires? Look at how stupid this is.
What, those? Oh. Yeah, I was sliding on it. Look how much tread like got wasted.
Dude, what the?
Track
Let
time.
me tell you something.
Got a lot more street time.
You don't like them, do you? Do you?
Them little knobbies are so hard to clean.
So I had these wheels on my 240, right?
Do you like them?
Yeah, I had them on my 240. She didn't like cleaning them because all these little.
These are all squared too.
I figured it out though.
Oh, for real?
Go buy a $2
Damn, that's
You
nice.
definitely
toilet
need
bowl
tires.
brush.
Whoever
Yeah.
mounted these tires, they're dope little headlights, man. I
Dude,
wanted to
they're
get the HR tail lights too. The HR tail lights are dope.
I have the HR taillights.
Damn.
With the dots, right? That's what I have on mine.
Dude, then you're tight, dog.
Yeah, I'm tight. You heard that? I'm tight.
Twice.
No,
Like a tiger. You're about to, and it's
Wait.
gonna be manual.
We're going to be right back. You wait, okay? We're coming back. Wait. Wait, I don't have a key fob.
Bob.
Fab. Why'd my window go down?
That's what happens. It's so you can open.
Confusion.
Come on, make it good.
She'll do fine. Stressing over nothing. It's gonna be loud, just know that.
I like that. Okay, so I put my foot on the clutch and the brake,
Clutch and brake.
and then I start it.
Make sure it's not in gear.
How do I do that?
Push down the clutch. Put it in neutral. Shake it around. There we go.
you a dumb question, but I have to keep my foot on the brake because there's no park and it will start to roll, correct?
There's a e-brake.
Oh, okay. I forgot it was up. Okay, so then I can just like let my feet off after it started.
Yeah.
In the car. You have to lift up slowly, don't you?
Push down the button and yeah, lift up a little bit. You got it. I know, it's hard.
Do I have to push it down more? Yeah, I had to push it down. So clutch down. Put it in first. Is that first?
Yeah.
And then
Car will roll. It's not gonna zoom on you. And when you want to slow down, put your foot on the clutch. Hey! You see how
am I
you're
allowed
like
to stay in
this?
first?
You can go into second. Remember, you gotta rev it up. There we go. Aha! Easy, right? Easy.
I know, I was overthinking it.
Clutch in when you want to slow down. So that way. Look at you! You're feeling it! You're feeling it!
Ooh, what was that?
That's
Oh, it's
just
'cause I'm
it
low.
bottoming out.
It's because I'm low, I forgot.
Go one more circle. You go, you got it. You're in second, right?
Yeah.
You can hear the knock. And clutch in. And your brake, and you go around. And on the gas a little bit. And then clutch back in. And then brake, and you go around a little bit. You got it? You got it? You feel it, right? It's not nothing you think about, you feel it. Your gut tells you, oh hey, clutch in, slow down, like engine off. Look at you. Look at you. You going around town. There we go.
I have to put it into gear
E-brake.
to rev it up to go up. I
E-brake.
can just e-brake it right now.
Yeah,
And then just shut it off.
that's your car. How's it feel driving a Z?
Shaking. It was nice. I'm excited.
Z's feel tight, right?
Yeah, I feel like I don't have to worry about like my ass end catching up with me.
At all, because your
Yeah.
ass end is literally
Right
like where you're
behind me.
sitting down, yeah.
I just wanted to tell you I did it. I'm shaking, but I drove it around twice.
So have you ever driven a stick before?
The 240.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
I just overthink all the time, so I was just...
Yeah, she was like, so wait, so it doesn't roll, do I put my foot on the brake? I was like, yes. Yeah, if you don't want to move,
I'm
foot on
stoked
the
for
brake.
you.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Because guys are so young. I love it.
Can I get a high five?
Mama, I drove it, Mama. I did it. I did it, Mama. You waited because you know I told you I'll be right back. Good girl, baby. Good girl. Come here.
Get back, go, 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 go.